Good afternoon, everyone. Today, as a part of my YouTube channel, I'm going to start my first video ever in front of a huge amount of public. So, this problem is basically from 2018's CMI, Chennai Mathematical Institute's question paper, section A. That is the first paper, which is not the subjective one. 2018, may I remind you, it was a nice question, an easy one. I'm obviously starting off with an easy question. I will be reading out the question for you guys, though it will be given in the starting of the video. You can just have a pause and note down the question. Suppose an equation is given. The equation is x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 8 equals to 0. This is a cubic equation with integral coefficients. All the coefficients, that is a comma b, is an element of integers. Since it's a cubic equation, so it will be having three roots. Both r and minus r are roots of the equation. It is given two roots r and minus r, where r is greater than 0. R is greater than 0. List all the possible pairs of values of a comma b. What do we need to find? A comma b. So we have this equation by Vieta's relations. I guess we all know what Vieta's relations are. By Vieta's relations, sum of the roots, that is r plus minus r plus s. Let I am taking s to the third root. This summation is minus b by a, that is minus a. Product of the roots taken twice at a time, which is minus r square minus rs plus rs is c by a, which is your b by 1, which is b, and product of the roots, that is minus r square s, is minus d by a, which is minus 8. You can see some terms are getting cancelled. So r and minus r gets cancelled up here, and here minus rs plus rs. What we are left with is, I will be writing down this here. S is equals to minus a minus r square is equals to b, minus r square is equals to b, minus r square s is equals to minus 8, minus r square s is equals to minus 8. I'm rubbing the other parts. You hope we are all clear up till here. This is the main equation. We have the main equation up here. We are given that two roots is r and minus r. One r has to be greater than 0. This is given in the question, and a comma b belongs to the set of integers. Since it's a cubic equation, we have three roots of it. By Vieta's relations, as you know, sum of the roots is minus b by a. Sum of the roots taken two at a time is c by a. Extremely sorry, and product of the roots is minus d by a. So I will be rubbing this. These are very genuine information, so I am just rubbing it out. So here we have S is equals to minus A and minus R square is equals to B. I will be multiplying equation 1 and 2. So 1 this is 2. 1 into 2. This gives me minus R square S is equals to minus AB from 3. I have minus AB is equals to minus 8. So this is what we ultimately come down to. AB is equals to 8. Conditions are A comma B has to be an element of integers. So from here by parity we can check. One definite option is going to be 1 comma 8. We can take negatives also, minus 1 comma minus 8. 8 comma 1 minus 8 comma minus 1. 2 comma 4. I will be writing this as minus 2 comma minus 4. What more I will be left with? 4 comma 2. Minus 4 comma minus 2. From here we come down to a list of choices. Now one basic thing which we can notice up here is minus R square has to be B, which means that R square is always greater than 0 and a minus R square, so minus something, this means B has to be less than 0. So we will be eliminating our choices. This goes, this goes, this goes, and this goes. We are ultimately left with 4 choices. So probably here minus 1 comma minus 8, minus 2 comma minus 4, minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 8 comma minus 1. So there we have 4 solutions. I hope all of you are clear with this. A very basic problem asked by CMI, surprisingly asked by CMI, though it requires a good amount of concept clearance, some parity problems, some number theory ideas, and this is an important case. This could provide costly if not noticed at the right time. So yeah, this was my first video for today. I hope you all liked it. So do like the video, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you.